Hello everyone, I am recording a bonus YouTube video lecture. That light is really bright over there. I'm recording a bonus YouTube lecture because for this particular class we weren't able to meet this week, so we're just going to conduct the lesson online because believe it or not, this one's not going to be that hard, and mostly what I'm doing in my other classes right now is we're just doing a quick peer review and we're going to finish the proposal. So I'm going to post this and we'll just catch up next week. So respond to this YouTube video as best you can and follow the directions as best you can, and we'll go from there. But what I want you to do this week is called a peer review. You guys should have all responded to a discussion forum to my last YouTube video. And that YouTube video prompted you to write a single paragraph of one of the sections of the proposal. And if you'll remember, the first section was introducing the topic. The second section was, I believe, what is your research going to be? Give me an idea of your research. The third section was going to be, who is your audience? You should have given a pretty good paragraph response to that. Now, everybody go back to that discussion forum and pick a partner. And you can just reply to one of the posts there and try to pick something that hasn't been replied to yet, but if it's kind of coming down to the wire, do what you have to do to write a response to someone. A peer review is basically when you try to help somebody improve their writing. Now, a lot of people do this in a really bad way. They'll take this paragraph, they'll be like, insert a few commas here and there. You guys are not in a situation right now to fix each other's commas. I haven't taught you that, and I don't want you to just go in and use and insert grammar things that you don't really know very much about. So here's what I want you to do. I'm going to give you a very specific guideline to how this peer review is supposed to look. You're going to answer 3 questions in a single paragraph, let's say 6 to 7 sentences long. You will first outline your partner's strengths. Tell them what is strong about their paper. What stands out to you? What's working right now? Tell them a strength. Strengths are good. We want to know where to start from. We want to know where to go. And one of the best ways to do that is to look at a place that is working better than the others. So look at the paragraph and look for something that stands out to you. Point it out to them. Be specific. Number 2. Weaknesses. This does not mean try to fix grammar errors. What I want you to do instead is to go and look for places where you're having trouble understanding what they're trying to tell you. Again, try to be specific here. Say which sentence is breaking down. And try to get an idea as to why, but don't struggle to put a grammatical label on it. Just point out to them that there's a place that's not working. Last but not least, what I believe is the most important element of this peer review: ask questions. Look at that. If you ask questions, what do you mean by this? Tell me more about this. Where did you get this idea? Are you sure this is what you think it means? What does this word mean? That will really help them expand this, because consider this. They're working with a single paragraph right now, and this proposal needs to expand into 3. So for this week, that's literally all I want you to do. I want you to go back and write a quick peer review of somebody's post in that forum. I'm going to post 2 drop boxes. One drop box is going to be, you know what? No, I'm only going to post 1 drop box. For this week, you are submitting a full copy of the proposal. It needs to look like the business letter that I gave you the last time. So all you really need to turn in this week is the proposal and participate in the discussion forum and the peer review, which is going to take place in the same discussion forum. You'll go to the discussion forum, pick somebody's post, hit reply, follow the directions I just gave you. I'm suspecting we're going to have some issues here, and part of it is because I'm trying to communicate with you guys over the internet. That's okay. When we meet next Monday, I will solve any problems that have come up, because let's face it, Labor Day was kind of an extenuating circumstance. But I haven't been too ambitious with my other classes yet. Let's see what you guys can do. These peer reviews need to be just about 6 or 7 sentences long. They can be informal. I'm not going to scrutinize them. Just make sure you're keeping up. If you don't have things submitted by Friday, I'm going to have a discussion with you, okay? Feel free to call me on my phone. Call me on my telephone. What's that? Who sings that? I don't even know what the heck I'm talking about. Call me on my phone, email me, get in touch with me any way you can. I just want to help, okay? So hound me, track me down. Hope things are going well. Email me with any questions. Thank you very much, guys.